Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix WhatsApp backup stuck. Quick fix step by step clearly. First, check your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection and make sure the internet is stable. Switch airplane mode on for 10 seconds. Then turn it off to refresh the network. Restart your phone to clear temporary glitches that can freeze the backup process. Open Settings and confirm you have enough free storage for the backup to complete. If storage is low, delete unnecessary files or move photos and videos to cloud storage. Update WhatsApp from the App Store or Google Play to the latest version. Update Google Drive or iCloud settings by signing in again to refresh the backup link. On Android, open Settings, Apps, WhatsApp, Permissions, and allow storage access. On iPhone, open Settings, WhatsApp, and make sure photos and cellular data are allowed if needed. Open WhatsApp, go to Settings, Chats, Chat Backup, and tap Backup Now once. If it is still stuck, cancel the backup, close WhatsApp completely, and reopen it. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, WhatsApp, force stop, then open WhatsApp again. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, WhatsApp, Storage, and tap Clear Cache Only. On iPhone, disable low power mode because it can pause background tasks like backup. Disable any VPN or proxy app because it can block the connection to backup servers. Check date and time settings and enable Set Automatically for correct server sync. On Android, open Google Drive app and confirm you are signed into the correct Google account. On iPhone, open Settings, Apple ID, iCloud, and confirm iCloud Drive is turned on. If WhatsApp shows waiting for Wi-Fi, go to WhatsApp Settings, Storage and Data, and allow backup on cellular if you prefer. Make sure battery is above 20% and connect the phone to a charger to avoid interruptions. Turn off data saver or battery saver modes that can limit background internet usage. On Android, open Settings, Apps, Google Play Services, and ensure it is updated. On Android, open Settings, Apps, Google Play Services, Storage, and clear cache to refresh syncing. If backup is stuck at a specific percentage, leave the screen on and keep WhatsApp open for several minutes. Try a different Wi-Fi network to rule out router restrictions or slow upload speed. If the problem continues, delete the existing WhatsApp backup in Google Drive or iCloud and start a fresh backup. After deleting the old backup, return to WhatsApp, Chat Backup, and tap Backup Now again. Wait until the progress reaches 100% and confirm the latest backup time is updated. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.